Hi to all, it's still dark in here. So in today's video we have Xiaomi 4 Lite electric scooter. So like I said, Xiaomi 4 Lite electric scooter 2nd gen. The problem is it's not turning on. So first we're gonna see the battery and the controller. So first you need to peel this off. So this is like banana. You simply peel it off. And wait a minute. So you have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 bolts, and for that you need Allen 3 key, and you simply take them out. I've took all the other ones, and you simply take this off, put a little, and you simply take this out. Here you have plate that has warranty. So this is Allen 2.5. So I'm gonna take that one out. I took 3 more, and this is 4th. That's it. And now you need like maybe 2 hands or with 1 hand. So you have to pull this aside, and then you just take this out. So it's not turning. It was in rain. So as you can see, we have water here. Here's the controller down there. You can see water here. So you simply take all the connectors out. They're all plug and play, and you cannot switch them because they are all different. And you simply click it here, and you just pull this one. You just pull. Here is the battery connector. I'm gonna check the battery if we have juice in battery. This goes to the LCD, and as you can see, water. Here's the controller. You see the corrosion, it's been in water. So here we have screws that are shaped really. You need to have special tools, and you can see water damage. So this is not good. We're gonna buy a new one. We're gonna put it in. So let's just check the battery. Okay, let's see if the battery has juice. Yes, the battery is almost full. So now for you it's gonna be a second, and for me it's gonna be like a month. So stay tuned. So finally the controller is here. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet, so now I'm gonna open it and see if we have this, what we have in this box. So let's open it, and let's hope that it's full. that it has this aluminum heatsink. So yeah, this is the controller. Let's see. So this is for Lite 2nd gen electric scooter. So here are the connectors. I think we have all. Let me see. Yeah, these are all the same. So now the only thing to do is to change this new one with that bad one, and we're gonna fire the scooter, and let's hope we have. So I have to wait a little longer because you cannot find it in sales. So now you can, and I will put a link in the description where you can buy it. So let's go. So it passed 50 days when I started this project because I couldn't find the controller, and now it's time to connect this. But before we do that, we gotta use this contact cleaner, and we're gonna clean the contacts because you can see these connectors are all have damage by the water. So let's clean that and then we'll connect. And before that, let's check the battery. So let's see if we lose any power. If we did, then the battery is not good. Let's check that. As you can see, the battery is fine, so we're good to go. So before I install the controller and I put it all synced together, I will draw a hole here, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 holes, or maybe just 2, because we had a water one time, and second time if we had water maybe it will go out. But the problem is this scooter is not for riding in the rain. So let's drill some holes, maybe like here. And maybe one here. Just don't forget to break the wires, so put them away. And that's now let's put the controller in. So I've connected all and I ran to the first problem. So as you can see, this wire is corroded badly and it just snapped. So now I will solder these 2 wires. I will solder. And the second problem is, here's the piece that is missing from the connector, and the second problem is this controller came with this connector, and I think that this is for the scooter that has side blinkers for directions, and this doesn't have. So we did connect all except the battery. So now so this is for the charging. I will solder this. I want to just try if this scooter will power on. So let me connect this. It's a little difficult with one hand, but we have it. Yes. We do have it. Okay, everything is connected. And then now, moment of truth. Will it go on? Yes, we do have a power. The battery is not fully charged, so we have to charge it. But before that, we have to solder the wire. So more job to do. Let's go. So like I said, we have a problem. The wire got snapped, so I just disconnected just to try to charge it and to see if everything works. Now it's all connected. You saw that it works. Everything works. So now we have lights. Yes, we do have lights. Yes, you see that works. Brake works. Changing the speeds. Yeah, it all works. And I tried it. Now it won't go because you have to push it a little bit. So to turn on the controller, now let's try to charge it. So this is the original Xiaomi charger, output 24 volts. So let's try if this works. Let's see here down you have connector for charging. It's connected. You hear the beep, and here, yeah, you see 18%. The battery was 20. It's charging. So, and now I've had in mind to use these types of soldering for the wires, but then you need some kind of heat gun. And for you, lucky for you, I've got a battery soldering iron that came to my door, and now I'm gonna test it with that. So that will be a perfect fix for this. Also, I had in mind, so this rubber goes on top to push the controller down, and because I've drew 2 holes, I will cut this in half and put this half on downside and half on the upper side. So we got a little nice cushion, and if the water will go in, 2 holes will go down, and the control will be safe. And you don't need to worry about moisturing, hot controller, and colder weather. It will be fine. So that's my fix for today, and I'll be back in a minute or two. So I am using this portable soldering iron because, like you see, I need extension cord to use. Not portable soldering iron, so I've connected one wire. So don't forget to put this shrinking tube, as you see. And now I will try to connect this wire, but it's very difficult because with one hand it's very not handy. Yeah, it's good. Turn it off. Okay, so now wait a little. The connection is good, and then you simply put the shrinking tube like this. You take a little heat, Oh, I've put this out. I have to renew this, but this is I have to fix this. So like you saw, it works very well and it's very handy to use it outdoors or maybe somewhere where you don't have electricity. So I put everything in, I fixed the wires, charging wires, and I've got the controller, so I've put down the controller on it. There you can see a hole. If the water will go in, it will go out, and you see we have nice space between controller and the frame, so it won't damage. So now everything is, you need to put all this together and that's it, and then we're gonna try it. So first things first goes this plate, make a little push aside, then you have here first bolts, here's first bolts, and then you put all the rest, but for now 4 bolts. So let's go and try this. So I've put last plate on, I put all the screws, and this is useful tip: if you had a working scooter, maybe you can put a sealant all around so you protect your controller and the water cannot go in, because here you can see we have nice gap where water can go in. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and don't forget to support me so I can bring you future videos and future content that will be very useful to you. Thanks for watching. ZVST Dark out. Bye.